Experienced real estate investors recognize the benefit of being able to increase diversity in their real estate holding while maintaining the tax benefits of direct ownership. This is made possible with the DST. A Delaware Statutory Trust, or DST, is a legal entity that provides owners limited liability and pass-through income, such as cash distributions to minority owners. In many ways, a DST is similar in function to a limited partnership. However, with a DST, the sponsor uses their own capital to acquire the properties to be offered within the trust. Prior to making an offer available to investors, the DST sponsor does all due diligence on the property, secures the long-term debt, and compiles all legal property. Typically, the sponsor collects payment and/or management fees for structuring and overseeing the deal on behalf of the investors. Now, there are two primary ways in which someone invests in a DST. They can either directly make a cash investment or roll the proceeds of the sale directly into a DST, just as they would when using a 1031 exchange. Doing a 1031 exchange into a DST allows the investor to move from an active to passive ownership. This provides greater diversity in the real estate holdings, all while maintaining the tax benefits of owning real estate directly. At Perch Wealth, our team would be happy to discuss our investment model and opportunities with prospective investors. We're here to help you achieve your investment goals. Contact a member of our team today or visit perchwealth.com for more information. This video presentation is not an offer to buy or a solicitation to sell a security. The video is a discussion pertaining to one or more investment strategies and/or asset classes, and is not a discussion of any specific offering, past or present, of securities. As a reminder, there is no guarantee that any investment or strategy will perform as targeted, and any investment involves the risk of the loss of some or all principal invested. This video contains statements intended for educational and hypothetical purposes only, and is not to be construed as a promise of performance. Information presented herein reflects the opinions of the speakers and is from sources believed to be reliable, but all information is subject to change. Not an offer to buy, nor a solicitation to sell securities. Information herein is provided for information purposes only and should not be relied upon to make an investment decision. All investing involves risk of loss of some or all principal invested. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Speak to your finance and/or tax professional prior to investing. Securities offered through Emerson Equity LLC, member FINRA SIPC. Only available in states where Emerson Equity LLC is registered. Emerson Equity LLC is not affiliated with any other entities identified in this communication. There is no guarantee that any strategy will be successful or achieve investment objectives. Potential for property loss. All real estate investments have the potential to lose value during the life of the investments. Change of tax status. The income stream and depreciation schedule for any investment property may affect the property owner's income bracket and/or tax status. An unfavorable tax ruling may cancel deferral of capital gains and result in immediate tax liabilities. Potential for foreclosure. All financed real estate investments have potential for foreclosure. Illiquidity. Because 1031 exchanges are commonly offered through private placement offerings and are illiquid securities, there is no secondary market for these investments. Reduction or elimination of monthly cash flow distributions. Like any investment in real estate, if a property unexpectedly loses tenants or sustains substantial damage, there is potential for suspension of cash flow distributions. Impact of fees and expenses. Costs associated with the transaction may impact investors' return and may outweigh the tax benefits.